I'm gonna be super patient here. I would love if this taps into. Oh fuck! What is going on, everyone? Tuesday, June 2nd. We have. Let me show you guys real quick. Tuesday, June 2nd. So pre-market, we have. Let's start with ES and go to the hourly. So we have these highs created here Monday, Wednesday, used as a low Thursday, again on Monday, again on Friday, and again on the pre-market. So we have this floor right here that we're kind of building up. It goes along with this ceiling right here. So as ES tends to, well, this morning, we're going to see if ES can break below this key level and tap into here for the sell side. Also, if we don't get a clean break below this like 7,577 level, 775, 75. If we don't break below that and we change structure to the upside, taking out these highs here, we could go long bias for a tap of these highs that were visited or created, I should say, Monday. Um, but these highs might not get visited till Wednesday as well, Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm looking at these lows. I don't want to make the same mistake I did yesterday by looking at the lows and kind of not taking it after this swing high, but still going to be patient and see how this plays out. So that's what I see on ES. We have all these lows pushing down. If we break above these, I could take longs to the buy side. If we hold this resistance here, um, see where the resistance, hold this resistance here, then we could be looking for a sell. And this is the highs that was made Friday. 1, 2, 3, tapped into it again. So these key levels right here are in play for sure. Let's go to the hourly on NQ. It's telling a little bit of a different story because it's not coming down as much, and we're getting a little bit of rejection off this 1 hour. Didn't quite come into this fair value gap, showing a rejection off the VWAP here. So even though we are getting lower lows, we have Asia, London low right here. But we're still trending above the VWAP, and we haven't gotten big displacement down. We had this big low resistance run to the buy side here. Didn't take out these highs, took out this little high right here, and then we came down and pulled back. So if we look at the 5 minute, we might be able to get a little clearer picture of why and where this is going to come down to. So I still see this level that I like. I have above this high here as well, acting as support. Um, we'll see if this decides to hold as London low. We have like 5 minutes left until the market opens, so this push up here towards the buy side looks like we're going to take out some of this on NQ, not so much on ES. Even though ES literally wicked out of this fair value gap. NQ took the buy side liquidity. ES didn't. So we're going to go back to this 15-second first for a minute. You can see NQ is literally making that low resistance run before 9:30 to this buy side. So we might take out London highs pretty cleanly here before the market even opens. We're leaving this fair value gap on the 5 minute. There is a, bit of a volume, not imbalance, but there's a lot of volume at this price range, 30,535. So couldn't quite take out this high here. This is a pullback on the 1 minute that we're getting now. So yes, did take out this high. Yes, took out this high here. And Q sort of retapping it, making a run to the buy side now. We have 1 minute till market open. Couldn't quite take out this buy side, but we did take out all of the sell side. So we're looking for a run to the buy side here on the 1 minute chart when market opens. But we're gonna wait a couple minutes at least before we take the trade. We're not gonna take it right at 9:30. So let's show you. Took out this sell side here, made a new London low, and now we're running towards this buy side potentially up here, but we're gonna see how it reacts. Big sell off, big sell off here on at market open. So wish this kind of loaded a little bit better. Big sell off on NQ. ES not so much, so we have a little bit of divergence here. Yeah, ES is running to London highs. Took out London high. So ES kind of got a clear rejection off this fair value gap. Swept this liquidity and running towards the pre-market highs, Asia highs. NQ not so much. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes on this. We have all these relative equal highs here on NQ, and it's going down towards London low. And ES is pushing the high, so I'm just gonna wait. A little skeptical just to take shorts, but I mean, we're at the VWAP now, 102. We did tap into this first presented fair value gap and made a lower low on the 1 minute. These first presented fair value gaps tend to act like a magnet later on in the day, so we might get a buy side run. I'm just being super patient, seeing how this will get taken out, if this is going to be respected here. US break is buy side. Lower highs. It's from that fair value gap over. We're actually coming into it on our two now. That's a nice plus side run. We didn't break come into this here. Getting some type of pullback. See what happens here. I tried to sell two there. I don't know why I didn't go through. That's a little unfortunate. ES is in high resistance. So even though this low was taken, it wasn't actually closed below, but I do like this as lower lows here. We did get some sell side expansion. I tried to sell up here. I didn't quite get that fill. Um, this is all still okay. I don't love this, but we're at the VWAP, 940. Be a little patient here. I only took 2 contracts for a reason. I'm not trying to overextend on this. Okay, we're getting that push down here. We do have that first presented third value gap above. This is looking good here. Up almost $100. So we have this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency towards new week opening gap, high and low. I want to see this close bearish. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this gain any momentum to the upside. I don't love that. Let's see what it looks like here. ES tapping the didn't quite break that low on the 1 minute. What I don't want to see is this turn over on me, like it kind of is doing right now. If we take out this high here, I'm pretty much out of this. Because I don't love this right here. And we're going to get a higher high, so okay, that high's got taken out. So I'm looking to get out of this here. Um, yeah, I'm out. I'll take the $90 loss. It is what it is. See if we can get this bullish expansion here and a bullish close. So we just run to the buy side. Maybe targets here at this first presented fair value gap. It's 945. So targets up here. I'll just take one. Move my stop loss. I really just want to bring my trailing stop loss, like my trailing drawdown up because, yeah, I'd love to see this get broken there. If we don't get it, it's kind of going to be a little upsetting, but I can move my stop loss to break even. Maybe let's check the 1 minute. I'll move my stop loss to break even. Getting tapped into this fair value gap. I want to see this push and break these highs. Doors closed. Let's go. Let's go. Is this going to hit my... There we go. We're at one. Okay, and then we trail this on the 1 minute time frame. So we have targets up here. I could sell one more if we get that. Inside the first presented fair value gap now on NQ. We have not gotten a pullback, but we did get this buy side sweep, so we can get a pullback and a push towards this buy side here. Um, we have this fair value gap that we left behind. V-shaped structure on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute. If this closes above here, we then burst. So I'm going to keep trailing this position on the 1 minute chart and just be patient. See how we react around this fair value gap. If we get a big push here, I'm gonna trail my stop loss right below this. Let's see. Go, 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 go. The stop loss is trailed. We don't have a pullback yet on the 1 minute, but we moved above this volume imbalance, even though my stop loss is above the equilibrium of this. We just have the momentum right now, so push, push, push. I'm just gonna keep moving my stop loss. This is a low resistance liquidity zone. To the buy side, I have take profit right up here at these highs. I'm kind of thinking I should take profit here at these highs. We'll see. Patience. Okay. See if we break this low on this candle, I'm probably out. Nice push. Through the 1 minute. We have a first red bar in this whole swing up, so and now we just broke the highs, so I'm pretty confident this is gonna keep going. I want to see this close above here on the 1 minute before I move my stop loss. Nope. Right to the nice. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. God. Yeah, I don't know why this had to come that low. I'm probably not going to keep this here. I want to see it come up into this. Mm, and I'm out. Not bad. We added like 100 some to the drawdown, so that's not bad. We did sweep all this, so if NQ is going to push higher, we might get a opportunity to re-enter before 10. Relatively high here. I mean, that doesn't scream confidence, but now you'd want this to take out this high here, and it does that. So there's your pullback. Probably want one or two bars coming down. There's the pullback, and now you're going to get the run to the buy side. Damn, that was not quite what I was looking for. Let's get out of one right there. On break even. Nice. I'm gonna be super patient here. I would love if this taps into. Oh fuck! Holy shit! All right. I mean, why'd we even have to do that, bro? That was like perfect. Yeah. That was actually right here was like an A plus setup too. It's just a little inconvenient about getting slipped here because I could have at least been some profit. But it was consolidation from 9 to 10 here, from like 9:50 to 10. And yes, just tells me that 10:30 is gonna pop or 11. Yeah, there's your first. Man, can you imagine if I didn't move that to break even? I would have probably lost way more. Broke these relative equal highs here, I guess. So this high is in play, and we might just melt up for the day. But the way I just got taken out there, I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little violated, so I'm not comfortable. I'm just not comfortable going back in there. Because that would have been green too. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Jesus Christ. So the 1 minute's still making higher highs after that bullshit that we saw. Crazy. We closed above this London high, Asia high. Not yet on ES. We're probably just gonna melt up on ES. And Q's the one that's moving today, so I might just take like $50 honestly on this. Can we get some nice price action here? I'm just trying to make $50. I don't even know, man. $40. I'm just gonna stop. I don't want to overtrade today, man. I could have just been fucking patient. Probably still got it, but up to 160. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill. How many trades did I actually take today? So took 6 trades, it looks like. A little too much in my opinion. That second trade was perfect. I held it perfectly. I guess the only thing I could have done a little bit better tomorrow, what I'll probably do, maybe take three and five contracts, three contracts on, 3 to 5 on the left. I'm working this trailing drawdown on this live account. Got it up to $160 from yesterday, so we already have 4 green days, 5 now. It's not $200, but all we need is to hit the profit target. So I'm literally just working this drawdown up till I got enough room to make this profit target. Good thing I sold out there. As soon as we didn't get that push up, I just did not like it. I had a feeling I was going to get stopped out, and then we might get the push up still. We might just see, might get it still, but and there it is on ES. So another thing I could have done on this specific trade was literally just take ES and wait. I called out those relative equal highs down here, right at 10:04. I knew the move was coming from 10 to 11. Um, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This right here fucked me so hard. It didn't really like mess with my mental, but I've gotten wicked out a couple times, and I really did like this trade. This was like an A+ setup, but this right here was a little crazy. Luckily, I only lost $43, so this whole trade ended up being break even. And I guess I saw that and kind of revenge traded right here. Note to self: stop fucking doing that. Um, anyway, anyway, good trading day. I'm just gonna be patient still. I might still get my little $40 out of this, but I might not get it till 10:30 or maybe even later. But right now, I got to take a huge piss. I've had 2 coffees and a big thing of water, and I can't fucking sit in front of these charts anymore. So I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully, we get these payouts. Man, I do take good trades. I do take great trades, you know. Let me see something. On this trade here, yeah, I still would have gotten stopped out. Sometimes I like to put my stop loss below. As soon as this bar comes in, if this is my buy bar because we have a close above this pullback, this is my entry. My stop loss can go here, but you get a better forgiveness because sometimes this low gets taken out. You get better forgiveness if you put the stop loss below this bar, because we do have expansion here. It did make a new high, broke this high as well. So this bar is huge. Putting your stop loss below this bar is usually high probability. In this case, we got stopped out. I'm not surprised because this fucking, like, this sexual violation wick right here that literally slipped me out. So I'm sure it did the same to some of you guys. I'm actually curious. Let me know. I don't know. Getting raped once in one day is enough for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow. See y'all later.